was once a day that I would pray for you. I'm gonna miss me, gotta make myself too. Looking like such a down from across the room until I got it. Damn, what a hell of a feeling. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A fresh start, a first date, you feel fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time, don't complain. I feel my heart erase.
You ain't easy, it was built
Catch
to be
me
rough.
if
That's
I
what makes a
fall.
personality is tragedy, bro. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters, and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pissed off, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bro. Fuck the game up, change up, rearrange stuff till your brain up. Same us with the rage up, play the game, bro.
Never stop, you got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets so black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fast. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time, don't complain. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
You ain't someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We don't feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts filled quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
I got a switch in my head, I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red, now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said, I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget, so now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear.
You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you will never see me coming. You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you will never see me
My
coming.
energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he stabs me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential, I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. So